ASKG0 GT50 Electric Dirt Bike Review. Best high-power electric dirt bike for off-road riders. If you're looking for an electric dirt bike with serious off-road performance, the ASKG0 GT50 is definitely an interesting option. But before you buy one, there are some important things to consider beyond its power and aggressive design. If you're interested in checking out this product, I've tagged it in this video, and you can find it through the product link in the description. The GT50 is designed as an off-road electric bike, aimed at riders who want the feel and control of a dirt bike without a traditional gasoline engine. Its appeal comes from the combination of electric power, a compact dirt bike-style frame, and off-road-focused hardware. That makes it more interesting for trails and recreational riding than for normal road transportation. One of the biggest advantages of an electric dirt bike is the instant torque. Unlike a gas-powered bike, you don't have to deal with shifting gears or engine noise, and the electric motor can deliver power immediately when you twist the throttle. The quieter operation can also be useful for recreational riding where excessive engine noise isn't desirable. However, electric dirt bikes have their own compromises. Range depends heavily on riding conditions, rider weight, terrain, speed, and throttle use. Charging also takes significantly longer than simply refueling a gas bike. Another important point is legality. Off-road electric bikes may not be street legal in your area, and requirements can vary depending on where you live and where you plan to ride. Always check local rules before using one on public roads or trails. So, is the GT50 worth considering? It can make sense for riders who specifically want an electric off-road experience and have an appropriate place to ride and charge it. But if you need a road-legal daily transportation option or long-distance range, this type of bike may not be the right choice. If you want to check the latest details or buy this electric dirt bike, I've tagged it in the video, and you can find the product link in the description. Like the video, subscribe, and let me know what you think about electric dirt bikes.